This is going to be our assignments for this week. So you can see we are in Module 1, which is the same as Week 1. And we're going to be talking about Introduction to Programming in another video in here. If you go into Lecture Materials, you can see that there are the book PowerPoints in here. So they're useful for you. You can get a lot of information. They're a synopsis of what you're actually going to learn in the modules itself, or the chapters in here. So we go back to Watch and Learn. So Watch and Learn here is a ton of videos in here about Chapter 1, Chapter 2, Chapter 3, so you can, that will help you a lot in here. Then in the other Watch and Learn videos, you'll see the PowerPoints that I make. So these are all things that you can physically watch, and this will help you with things about how to do type conversion, the numbering system in here. And I'm going to go over all of these things as well, so you don't have to worry too much about that. So if you go to the Module 2, Watch and Learn, you're going to see a bunch of more things in here. And this is for the other book. So we're not going to worry about the Malik book, but this will give you a ton of extra information on how to do things. And we'll go to, let's see, Lecture Materials here. So again, you have all kinds of different stuff that you can get in here. So, and you'll see tons of videos that I created as well, spattered all over the place. So that will help you as well. So, you know, again, here are the meeting videos for PowerPoint 4 and 5. The football program is actually an assignment, so that's why it's not video, but you'll see it afterwards, and we're going to take care of it. So we talked about the class introductions. This is a discussion for C versus C++. So you're going to physically just write in here. So just talk about what you feel is the difference between C plus and C, regular C itself. So that'll take care of that discussion. So there's 2 discussions for this week. Then you're going to have an online lab, and we're actually going to do this in class. So you should be able to get this one right. All you have to do is write the infamous hello world. And it's really like 2 lines of code in here. So that'll be easy. When you submit, you're going to submit only the CPP file. So that is one that you do. That's a very easy one. Everybody should get 100 on that. Here is the football program. So this is on page 72, program 5. So I'll actually read it to you real quick. It says Archie wants a program that calculates and displays the team's final score in a football game given the numbers of the team's field goals. So we're going to go over that actually, and I'm going to start setting up and explaining to you. So that should be easier for you to do than to just try to do it from scratch. And then the other programming assignment is a material program, which is actually number 6. So you're just going to be figuring out some information on basically you're going to be doing some kind of a fencing program. That's why I call it fencing in here. So that takes care of all the assignments for this week over here. This is a sum of numbers video that you're just basically doing the sum of numbers. The fencing here is the material one over here. So this is going to be step by step on how to do the fencing one. It's not available for you right now, but it will be. And then you have a quiz on chapter 1. Now, I understand you might not get the book yet, so I will be lenient on the first week in terms of getting them in, but after that we need to make sure that everything gets done on time. So that is just an overview of week 1.